Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Hungary, and the link and coupon will be in the description. Sorry, and let's go. Open description and click on link wayafly.com and click on this and write Hungary. Okay, and open. Scroll down and choose data type unlimited or fixed data and click on unlimited and choose a speed plane light plus premium. I'm select premium plan. And how many days do you need? I'm select 30 days premium speed unlimited data. That's nice. And click on buy it now. Scroll down. Okay, this service Wi-Fi is this #1 service for eSIM, right? And click on this discount code and write ROAM tips. This name my channel and special offer for you. Click on apply and order discount these dollars and total price $150.25. Alright, and click on Google Pay and buy a SIM or write contact email and payment and billing address and click on buy now and open new page and buy a SIM and send your email address, QR code and instruction for activation. Alright, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.